There will never be a point in your life where it's the right time to do a great thing. If you're waiting for that perfect moment, that perfect timing, it's not going to happen. You know what you have to do? You have to create the perfect time and the perfect opportunity and the perfect situation.
The fish was launched.
Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never could it bite, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Welcome back to another episode of Summerthon. It's day what? Day 27? But it's actually the 29th. Yeah. Alright, so today we're gonna be cooking. We're gonna be cooking in the kitchen just to make some regular steamed fish, okay? I just felt like this is what I'm really doing today. This is another stage, something I really feel for this. Remember my last vlog, I showed you guys about, I gave you guys a grocery haul and stuff. So actually I'm going to prep my fish now and stuff. All the fish. I only bought like 3 pounds. So I'm gonna start seasoning it. So I have my lime juice and I have vinegar. That's the fish. I'm gonna like when the fish have a hint of rawness at all. Alright guys, I'm put all the seasonings in here and now I'm gonna just season the fish, and then afterwards now I'm gonna cut up the seasonings that I'm going to like you know, the Irish, the carrot, all of them somewhere. So them here, just season them now. Seasoned. Okay, so quick intermission break from the local cooking. We are in Fontana. I'm looking for a notebook. Oh, this nice office to be. Well, planner. How much is this planner? This planner looks pricey.
Much right in a space a day though.
Yeah, it's just big for nothing. $5,000. Guys, I literally was just gonna buy a regular notebook, and this girl was like, "I should not. I need to.
Hello,
I need to buy one of these planners.
Interest me. I need something that appeal to my eye when I read it. Something that make me want to read it.
Oh no, so me and her work together, right? So there's some stuff that she have to do, work related, and she's being so extra. Yeah, this gold's growing and glowing. Ooh, I love this.
I can't open this.
How much for it? 4,000?
4. I can't open
Why
this.
it can't be open though? Shining bright with love and joy.
Okay, so this
is
just a regular notebook.
Yeah.
I want it to have days so you can.
Floral for a vibe. Yeah, it's not the vibes. That's not the vibes.
I guess we'll get the black one.
The
we
black
need
one.
Something with the date them for know which and which day you have them.
I think this is it.
Yes.
I think this is the one.
Yes.
I think that's the one there.
It's been up though.
Don't let bad days get you. What this one said? This one I see we have now. Like, yeah, take one at the bottom since. So this is the one.
I suppose it's something about don't let bad days.
That one. It was just a small one. I was just reading it. And a pen. What's that? Creative, courageous, optimism. Okay. Alright, cool. Oh, it's just a notebook. It's just a notebook. Alright. Oh, that got lots of space.
This is actually perfect. And you write small.
Yeah.
What you say?
Okay. Yeah, I kind of prefer this. A little bit more compact. You like that one?
This is it. Let's go.
Yeah. That one is it. Pen is in the aisle section.
You want to buy the pocket tree?
This is long-lasting gel pen. Yeah, I'll go with this. Okay, how much is this planner?
It's about here.
3.7. Okay. Yeah.
Where did you get it from?
Oh, it's the one. It's the last of it. Up here, sir? No. It's down here, sir. No. No, that's not it.
What's the last
It's
one?
the last of it. Alright guys, so now I got that planner, so now I'm gonna make just one more stop. I got the planner and the pens. Now we just gonna make another stop, and that's gonna be it. Back at home guys, now we just gonna chop up everything. Let's go.
for damn screaming my Lady Gaga. She got me in my feelings. I be harder for this girl in my feeling. Only father, my only father. Can't deny your body got squeezing. Your ex-man them a wheezing. Both of you want to believe in. Who could that you with a leasing? Pretty girl is a mystery. Yeah, me hold on for your blessing. Cause many man them for your lady. Only father, I'm screaming my Lady Gaga. She got me in my feelings. I be harder for this girl in my feeling. Only father, my only father.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It's my work on show now. Can't believe say she be eat cereal. Cereal, you know? Cereal, she not too long but the girl said fish was a tear somehow. I'm not gonna lie, people. It's like what, an hour later? Is it even an hour?
It's even an hour.
It's probably like
20 minutes.
What is it?
It's probably 40 minutes.
Yo, but not like serious something. Yeah, fish can wear out really fast. No matter what. But I know.
We get up, we drink the tea, we drink green juice, drink peanut porridge, and then we just run up on the relay. The fish. The fish was lunch.
Wow. Yeah, anyways. Guys, excuse my lashes. They are a mess now. They're the Panem last. But, you know, I don't think I'm doing them. I'm not mad at them right now. Might give them a breather again. I'm not really need for them right now. But guys, finish eating dinner. It was really good. Dinner was really, really good. Everybody cleaned and played. So, yeah. Steamed fish is always a go. But, yeah. So, that's it for my vlog today. Pretty much right now it's 20 past 6. Well, 19 my phone saying, but my laptop saying 20. So I'm literally going to finish editing this very vlog that you guys are watching and get it up as soon as possible for you. Last night's vlog didn't go up. It went up so late, but yes, it's true. I never want to miss the night because you know I was this close to not publishing it. But I said no, I care, but I already giving it to them. I'm like, no, so another day, 3 vlogs now? No, never did want that. So even though that time in the other night I really go well with my algorithm, I still sacrificed that and uploaded the vlog. So you can just check that out. If you never check out the previous vlog, go ahead and check it out. Check out the one before that. And yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it for today's vlog. Oh my gosh, tomorrow is the 30th. Yeah, me account. Tomorrow is the 30th of June. Yeah, I'm going to give you guys a bonus vlog to make up for the 2 that I missed. If it's not a very long vlog, then I'll probably do the 2, but my intention is to do like a very long one. But anyways, yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, so you can be notified, and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified every time I publish a new vlog. Yeah, because a lot of times I publish a vlog and some people be like, yo, them never know some publish or whatever, so that helps. Sometimes you know always on point, so you can just keep on checking up on the channel, or also follow me on Instagram because I always make a notification there. So yeah, that's that for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.